So if you saw my video when I unboxed the Macy's Advent Day calendar, then you know that I only unbox one Advent calendar a year. Just one. Unless I unbox two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Kimmie. This is my attic, and yes, today we are doing another Advent calendar unboxing. This was not a planned video because I did not purchase this for myself. Here's what happened. Last week, I had a birthday, and some of my coworkers actually surprised me with some birthday presents, which was so generous. I have to tell you, I have some amazing coworkers. I, like everybody else, feel a lot of stress at my job. Jobs are not easy. I work in a very busy laboratory, which has recently gotten a lot more stressful than it was because we do work with COVID, and the situation has gotten a little bit more intense than it was even just a few weeks ago. But I'm telling you, think back to a job that you absolutely hated. You just absolutely hated going. I guarantee you didn't like your coworkers, because when you have decent, nice coworkers, even though your job is stressful, you're all kind of in it together, and it just makes such a world of difference because, let's face it, if you work full-time, you're spending a lot of time at that job. So yes, some of them surprised me with birthday gifts. It was so amazing. I got a bottle of wine, which I am planning on drinking over the next couple of days. I'm off a few days, so that's going to be nice. I got some Sephora gift cards. These people know me very, very well. Yes, they know my channel. They support my channel. They're very supportive. So that was like freaking amazing. I got some candy. Oh my God, are these things good? Have you ever tried these? These are Sanders Small Batch Wonders. And this is sea salt and milk chocolate caramels. Oh my God, they're so good. Is anybody else going on a diet January 2nd or planning on going on a diet January 2nd? Want a buddy? Would anybody be interested in like doing it together? I need to be held accountable, and I have to do it. Anyway, yes. So I have been digging. This thing is huge. Look how big this is, and I've been eating these for the past couple of days. Insane. And then my friend Ina surprised me with this Advent Day calendar. Now, Ina is someone that whenever she has something, you really don't even have to ask her where it came from. You pretty much know she got it from her boyfriend, Trader Joe's. And let me tell you, the woman is in love. Okay, so she bought me this 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar from Trader Joe's, and she also bought me some chocolates filled with like different kinds of liquor, but those are long gone. Okay, my birthday was last Wednesday. Don't judge. So I can't show you them, but they were amazing. They were also from Trader Joe's if anyone is interested. So I'm not like a Trader Joe's person, and I really don't have a reason. I just never ever go. But usually when she has stuff from Trader Joe's, I usually really like it. I don't know, I just never bring myself to go there. And when I think of Trader Joe's, I always think groceries. But apparently, I think I did know this, but I just didn't think about it. They have they have beauty products. So 12 Days of Beauty from Trader Joe's. I am so excited because I didn't buy this for myself. I didn't expect it. I have no idea what's in it. Yes, there's a list on the back, but you know what? I didn't look because I want to be surprised because I have no idea what these products are. I have never tried anything. So yeah, I am super excited about this one, guys. Let's open it up. So right straight away, the packaging is really, really beautiful. It's like this gorgeous pink box. It's got like flowers on it, and it's just really, really, really pretty. So 12 Days of Beauty, here we go. Number 1. Now, this is not something that you would display after you open it because you do open it from the front, not like the Macy's one, but who cares? It's gorgeous. Okay, so number 1. Once again, I forgot how difficult it is to get these things out. Okay, ooh, Kombucha Black Tea Cleansing Oil. I love a cleansing oil because my skin is so dry, so oil always works with me, and kombucha, I have used is it Fresh that makes the kombucha toner, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So I have a feeling I'm going to really like this. Okay, so far we're doing good. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 2 is a big one. Excitement is in the air over here in the attic. Okay, a charcoal face mask. Ooh, Ooh. I don't know if I've ever used a charcoal face mask. That's, I believe, charcoal is to get... Ooh, it's like stuck. Okay, hold on a second. There's a technical difficulty. Okay, here we go. So, directions. Leave on for 20 minutes. Gently peel off. Wash with warm water to remove extra products. I believe charcoal is to... What is it for? It's something specific for... Do I have my phone? Of course not. I never have my phone when I'm supposed to. Give me 1 second. Okay, I've retrieved the phone, and this is what it says. A charcoal face mask may help remove impurities and make your pores look clearer and smaller. Charcoal's ability to absorb toxins in other parts of your body is well known. Yes! That's where I heard it. Remember when I was doing the DIY makeup and I made the eyeliner out of charcoal? Black charcoal? Not yeah. That's exactly where I heard it, because it's supposed to like if you had some kind of poison, or I remember reading this, like they say like charcoal can absorb it, so it's well known, yeah, to absorb toxins in other parts of your body. I remember reading about that. So it says there's reason to believe it can work on your skin, although it's not officially proven. Okay, well, let's see. We're going to try it. That's so funny. I remember reading something like that. So charcoal face mask. And guys, I'm going to update you on all of these products. I'll have a follow-up. I'm going to try them, and then I'll have a follow-up just like I'm going to do with the Macy's products. And I will link that Advent Day calendar unboxing down below. Okay, number 3. Here we go. Number 3 is a body wash. Ooh. Kai Shimmer Body Wash. Chai. How do I say that? It's chai. Okay. Chai Shimmer Body Wash. Yeah, for the holidays. That is so cute. Let's see if it has a smell. It does. Oh, it kind of smells a little bit like pumpkin. Oh my God, that is so nice. So far, I'm loving everything. Okay, that's number 3. And then number 4. Where do we go? You would think I could find it. There's not that many boxes. Okay, number 4 is a small one. Let's see. Ooh. Toasted marshmallow body butter. Oh my God. So far, everything is really nice. Oh my goodness. This smells really good. It smells a little sweet. Ooh, it's thick. It smells a little bit sweet. It smells like cake. But nothing wrong with that. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's very thick. I like that. I like a body butter or a body cream. My skin's too dry for any kind of lotion. This is really lovely. And look at that. You get like a really, really nice size for an Advent Day calendar. Really nice. Okay. Apply liberally to hands and body. Got it. That was number 4. That was awesome. Number 5. Here we go. Berry lip mask. Oh my God. How cute. So this is Trader Joe's Berry Lip Mask. Apply to lips anytime for a hydration boost throughout the day, or let it work overnight to wake up with softer, smoother lips. So it's like a, yeah, it's a lip mask. I'm wearing lipstick, so I can't. It does kind of smell like berries. Oh, it does. This is really nice. So far, I love everything. I really do. Actually, I kind of like this one better than the Macy's Day calendar. Macy's Day. Macy's Advent Day calendar. Not Advent Day. What is wrong with me? The whole video when I did the Macy's calendar, I kept saying Advent Day. I don't know. I have no idea where I got that. Number 6. This one does not even say Advent, but that's what all these calendars are based off of. Ooh, a hair mask. Woo! You know I love a good hair mask. If you don't know that, I love a good hair mask. Wow. Trader Joe's hair mask. That's all it says. It doesn't say what kind or what's in it. It says use twice a week after shampooing, leave in wet hair for 10 minutes. Allow the mask to condition and soften your hair. I am definitely going to be trying this. I can't wait. I love a good hair mask. I may have to start going over to Trader Joe's. For real. Not for any like fruit or vegetables or like all that good stuff. But this beauty stuff, I'm really liking it so far. Number 7. Number 7. Where are you? Oh, up here. Up here, number 7, another small one. Oh, it's a little sugar cube. Exfoliating sugar cube. I love these. You know, usually I use the jar. I think what's that one that I love? Oh my god, I can't. Sugar Tree? Is it Tree Sugar? It's not Tree Sugar. I think it's Sugar Tree. The one they sell it at Ulta. I love that one. That's my favorite one. But this looks really, really, really nice. Yeah, I love these. Exfoliating sugar cube. That's a winner. Okay, number 8. We haven't had a loser yet, though. We have not had a loser yet. I mean, I haven't tried these products. I don't know how they're going to work, but I love the way they look. And moisturizing face lotion. Oh my god, that's what I need. Trader Joe's Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Moisturizing Face Lotion. And it's a nice size. It's a decent size. 1 full ounce. I mean, for, you know, a box like this, that's a nice size. I gotta smell it. Okay, it doesn't really have a smell, but I mean, you kind of expect it. Ooh, it feels really nice. From a face lotion, you don't really want a smell. I was just curious. A fragrance, because ooh, it feels really nice. Packaging's really cute. It has like a little flower on it. Apply on face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. Very happy with that. Number 9, we're going in the middle. It's another little jar of something. Oh, it's another body butter, but this one's frosted cranberry. Oh my god. So you get toasted marshmallow and frosted cranberry for like the holidays. That is too cute, and I love frosted cranberry, as we learned from my candle. Oh my god, this one smells so good. I'm just like when it comes to lotion, I'm more into like that fruit sweet smell than I am into like the cake sweet smell. So I am gravitating towards this one. This one smells amazing. Oh my god, this one smells so good. Number 9. Where are you, number 9? Oh, that was number 9. Okay, so we're up to number 10, which is right next door. We haven't gotten anything bad yet, and we only have 3 more to go, so that's pretty impressive. Oh, it's a shampoo. It's a shampoo, and I have a hair mask, so I can use it together. See how I'm getting super excited. Winter Citrus Shampoo, Conditioner, Body Wash. Oh, it's all 3 in 1. I'm never going to be able to use a conditioner that's also a shampoo, because my hair needs a major conditioner. But I can use it as a shampoo with the mask. Ooh, it smells really nice. It does smell citrusy. It smells really good. This is really nice. It doesn't say like what type of hair. Probably just regular. Like a standard shampoo. So we'll definitely be testing that out. Number 11. Number 11 is a hand cream. Grapefruit. Ultra moisturizing hand cream. So you get a face cream in this box, and you get 2 body butters. That's really, really nice. Okay, so this is Grapefruit Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Oh, and that smells nice too. Okay, and number 12, last one right here. Vitamin C Serum? Are you serious? I got so excited I almost threw it out of the box. Trader Joe's Vitamin C Serum. Oh my god, they have skincare? I mean, I knew they had like body care, but really? Yeah, in the morning, apply evenly to dry face, neck, and chest. Wow. Wow. Okay, this box was freaking amazing. I mean, I don't know, like I said, I've never tried Trader Joe's beauty products, but just from like the feeling, the vibe that I'm getting from them, I think they're going to be really, really good. And if you do like Trader Joe's beauty products, I would pick this up because you got face lotion, body wash, shampoo, a lip mask, 2 body butters, a cleansing oil, a vitamin C serum, a hand cream, a face mask, did I say a hair mask, and a sugar cube, an exfoliating sugar cube. What more could you want? You have a basic whole beauty routine from Trader Joe's in this box. I'm not sure of price. Because like I said, it was a gift. So I'm going to leave it at that. But I think this is amazing. If you can pick this up, I really, really think this is a good one, and I cannot wait to try out these products, and I will let you guys know how they work for me. In fact, I'm probably going to try them out this weekend. Like I said, I have a few days off, so I'm going to be trying out some stuff. So yeah, I'm totally excited, and I will give you an update. Guys, what do you guys think of Advent Day calendars? Advent calendars! Advent Day. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's crazy. What do you guys think of these calendars? I thought this one was very, very nice. The Macy's one, I thought some stuff was good. Some stuff I was on the fence about, and I have been trying it, so now I'm even a little bit more on the fence. But this one I thought was really, really amazing. And I think 12 is a good number. I think 25 is a little much, but then again, like I said in the first one, these calendars are meant to be open day by day. They're not meant to be open all at once. Although this one I think is kind of nice that you open it all at once because this one is giving you a whole like set. So like you can use everything on your hair. Like if you were to open it one day, you get the shampoo, the next day you get the mask, but if you open it all at once, you get everything. So in this one, I think it kind of worked to open it up all at once. So let me know your thoughts on Advent calendars down below and your thoughts on Trader Joe's beauty products if you have ever used them. And like I said, I will leave an update. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am almost there. My big goal is 50 subscribers by New Year's, and I am at this point filming this video 41. So I need 9. So if you like my videos, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. We talk about it all in the attic. If there's ever anything you want me to talk about, you can let me know. You can follow me on social media. I know I'm not that active, but I am trying. And in the new year, I do want to try to be more active on social media than I have been. It's just, everything is new to me. This whole thing is new to me. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, remember to take care of yourself so you can take care of someone else. Bye-bye.